Hi everyone, this week we will discuss website analytics. Mainly, we need to look at the metrics that link to the business objectives, number one. Number two, we need to check how we collect the data, how we analyze and visualize the data, and the support, either if there is a managerial support from the organization and analytical skills, which is very important. Now, we will focus this week on website visibility. In general, from a research point of view, we measure website visibility by the number of backlinks or the number of keywords that links to the website. What we know currently that the number of backlinks predict the traffic to the website, and which predict sales or performance and return on investment. However, the link between backlinks and traffic and performance, financial performance, could not be the same between business to business and B2C. In B2C is more confirmed compared to B2B. Also, there is a difference in terms of search goods or service. So for search, like clothing, for example, backlinks will lead to financial performance, which is not the case in service. We will do a practical example. Tomorrow we'll provide you the result of our practical example. We'll look at 5 years monthly data of JD Sports, and we'll try to find out if there is a link between the backlinks and the conversion count, organic keyword conversion count, and the number of visits and conversion count. See you tomorrow.